What the f is up, y'all guys? I'm back with another video. We're out here in San Antonio. As you can see by the title, we're gonna do a little camping trip, $1,000 camping trip. You heard that right. So basically, we're gonna go to Big Bend National Park. Right now, we just stopped at McDonald's and Mickey D's. I'm here with this motherfucker. Barely came from Mexico.
I just hopped over here and I haven't got any papers. So if you're watching this and you're the police, just log off.
Handy Mandy.
Hey guys, we're going to Big Bend. You already told him?
Hey, wait, ya le dije.
Oh, my bad, guys.
Like I said, he always stay copying me, bro.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I stay copying him.
No, bro, see?
That's why I'm gay. That's why I'm gay as fuck, because, you know, he's gay, so I have to be gay.
Oh, I'm fucking. Damn. We eating good today, huh?
This is what I mean.
I'm gonna grub real quick, and then we're gonna head out. We're gonna dip San Antonio. Still 6 hours of driving. I guess I'll see when we hit the road again. We're just raw dogging everything, and we just ended up in San Antonio. All right.
I'm trying to raw dog something else, though.
Few inches later.
We're waiting for Oscar because he's taking a shit. So we out here trying to play a footy.
A little soccer sesh.
A little soccer sesh, you feel me? Little 1-2.
Oh.
Let's see what you got. What you got? What you got? Ooh. Bruh.
Oh snap. Oh snap. Oh, he's kind of shit, but I ain't gonna lie. Oh. Oh.
We're just having fun over here at San Antonio.
Oh.
Oh! Oh, 1-2? Ah!
Record me, bro.
I got you. Alright. Austin FC, Houston FC, hit him up. Scout him. Damn, I didn't know San Antonio was like that, bro.
You just like that, bro.
We all connected in football, bro. Oh! I got you, bro, I got you. Come on, what you want?
Give me... Can I get an elote with chile?
Alright.
And queso and
Hey bro, y'all gonna download it to her or what?
huh?
It's
You don't have the card in?
nah.
What is
It's
it? You'll remember.
G._.
G._.
Reina.
G? Alright.
I'm put away.
Alright.
Man, we love people like that, man.
He's on the team.
Hey, what's your fans name?
What do you think, Isaac? What should we call them? Anything? Yes? No? Alright, let me shut the fuck up. Oscar's still in the restroom.
Bro, he's taking so long.
Comment down below the poop emoji for Oscar, because he's taking too long. Siempre la caga.
Literally.
Bye, guys. Now we're gonna resume our trip. Yeah.
What did you want to do?
This is the game of concentration, no repeats or hesitation, and the category is, so you say category, right?
Oh,
so category, and then like cars, okay, then you have to go. You can't take longer than like 3 seconds.
To say categories, you gotta say it fast. You have 3 seconds before. Let's say the thing is cars.
Hey, category, do I have to go?
Yeah, you have to go.
Oh, okay.
I mean, you thought about it, bitch ass.
I was just making sure, bitch.
Yeah, dumbass. What a fucking dumbass question. Dumbass question in this game.
I thought it was like I said the
Well, you
category
thought
and then
wrong,
you go
bitch.
next.
No.
Toyota.
BMW,
GMC.
Chevrolet.
Lamborghini,
Like Dodge.
2. Porsche.
Ferrari,
Bugatti.
Ooh, fuck. Hennessy.
Honda,
Lexus.
3. Fuck, I was gonna say like this. A Hyundai.
a Chevrolet.
No!
Go!
Fuck off. Alright. Just you and me. Say the category.
Human trafficking.
Oscar. No.
Energy drinks. Red Bull.
Under Armour.
Powerade.
Body Armor.
Prime.
Gatorade.
Shit.
That's it. I counted in my head. It's like not that many. It's like
Yeah,
no. I know, such a limited category. I know, it's a horrible category. It's like a bitch ass category. Like, I won the first round.
Winner Oscar, winner.
Alright,
Hey.
so who's next?
All right, yeah, I waited. Okay, 3-3.
3-3.
All right, the tiebreaker.
You still have 0? Really?
Yeah.
Damn, that's sad. Are you not like,
You're not intellectual.
are you not like disappointed in yourself?
Nah, not really, bro.
Like you're literally going to a university, bro.
No, dude.
You're gonna stay there, bro.
Alright, ready, okay, this is gonna be a good one. Alright.
Company names: Amazon,
Quiddity.
Budweiser.
Universal,
Goldman Sachs.
McDonald's?
Disney,
Chase.
Netflix.
Wells Fargo.
Frost.
Make America.
I forgot that.
Bro, didn't even say shit, bro. Just took the defeat. I guess. Alright. Me and you again, he's like? Fast food chains. Ready? And McDonald's.
You set yourself for defeat. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, take bucks.
That's
Nah.
That's not fair, bro.
3 hours.
But with, if we're gonna eat, probably like 4.
Yeah, we're gonna get Dickies.
Yes.
Yeah, I love Dickies.
Guys, we're here at Fort Stockton. We're gonna get some Dickies. You feeling like getting some Dickies?
I love Dickies.
You feeling like getting some Dickies?
Oh, yeah.
So this is the first time trying Dickies.
I'm probably around the time.
We're gonna do a little food review about Dickies. So what you got?
Got the number 4, which is a brisket combo. Brisket sandwich.
You got the same thing as me, because you like to copy me. You like to be on my dick.
Alright.
Hey, you like to be on my lead.
Put it down.
Yeah,
Put it down.
Alright, what's the fry saying? What's the fry saying?
The fry saying?
Yeah, what's the fry saying?
Look at this fry.
Alright. Take first bite. Alright.
I'll find out maybe. Now. I'll start the sandwich yourself.
Yeah guys, so we couldn't do the review because there was a guy looking at Oscar's soul.
Yeah, we were the only guys there.
Yeah, we were the only people there, and they were like just watching us, thinking like, damn, what are these 3 idiots with a camera finna
He
say?
saw you recording me, so he was like, he knew I was gonna give a review.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, it was kind of mid.
Kinda.
This was the epitome of mid, bro.
It was
Definition
mid.
of mid.
It was below mid.
Nah, like if you looked in the dictionary, mid
yeah, you're right.
is gonna say Dickies.
Not even, bro. It's below mid. It was just
Mid, bro.
ass. Actually, it was ass. Had 0 taste. I don't know what the fuck like that meat was. I think it was just colored. The color of meat.
Colored meat.
It was not meat. I was just eating like mass and shit.
Oh, bro, the fries, bro.
Fries were ass as fuck. They're all stuck together.
Yeah.
You can tell they got them from their ass on. Like, bro, so
Like, nah.
The best part of that meal was the drink, bro.
Yeah.
And it's like,
it's a Diet Coke, bro.
it was Diet Coke.
Oh, I got a lemonade, so.
The one's a vibe.
Yeah, the place was a vibe.
really nice.
Had a big D.
I actually did.
Yeah, it did.
No review on Dickies. I would not recommend anybody going there.
Yeah. And then
Actually, yeah. I mean, if you ever like want to like humble yourself and be like, hey, you know, alright.
Like, how you good?
Like, if you ever forget how like ass food can be, just go there.
Yeah, just go there,
And
yeah.
you'll be thankful for what your mom makes out. Yeah.
ya no, you're not gonna be mad for los frijoles en la casa.
Exactly. Guys, look where we're at, guys. We made it to the summit. We made it to our little spot. You know, it's kind of bad to look at the view over here.
Bro became the YouTuber?
Yeesh.
Yo. Alright, come in. MTV Cribs.
Yeah.
Yeah, we got the 2020-2023 AC. Here we got some hangers, you know, to put the little pieces together, you know, for the fits of the day.
Para miar?
Can we keep this book or like is it like complimentary?
No sé, güey, no trabajo aquí. Then we got the state-of-the-art lamp.
I think all 3 of us fit on here. We're all cut.
Yeah, no, this is like huge.
Alright, who's being middle spoon?
Not me. Oscar, this is your turn, bro.
Okay, I'm gonna call my mom. Then here.
Then we got the couch where again the magic's gonna happen. State of the art 2020-23 chandelier. We got
23 state of the art.
most important thing about here is that we have Wi-Fi, bro.
Yeah, we got Wi-Fi.
We got Wi-Fi, so
Hey,
hey.
We communicate with
God
the outside
did.
world in like 5 minutes.
We're gonna find that in a bit, like around 7. But yeah, this is Big Bend National Park, guys. So drop a like if you guys like this video, you know. We're just waiting for the sun to cool down. We just start on the hike, the one right next to us. And my boy Isaac still playing.
Total the whole trip
I've been playing.
Hey, shout out to the guys in San Antonio.
Eventually.
Alright guys, we're gonna go on the hike now. It's around what, 7?
It's not that bad. Sun's not that intense anymore.
Yeah. We put sunscreen on, so hopefully we don't get darker. How you feel right now?
I feel great, man. We're gonna go hiking, you know what I'm saying? Get some exercise in.
See the sunset
Get the vitamin
on that view.
Bro, vitamin D from the sun, bro. Stop being a bitch. What?
So we're gonna see the sunset like around there. We brought our chairs, nuestras sillitas. But yeah, hopefully y'all enjoying this video. Please subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Make sure y'all drop a like. Alright, the hike starts now. We don't know where we're going, but
We're going.
we're going. If we get lost, we get lost, you know?
Hey, it is what it is.
It is what it is.
That's what life's about. Going on adventures.
One way.
One way, un way.
I'm out the way.
Okay, so me and Isaac, we're thinking of what to name the fans, the watchers,
That's for them to decide.
the raw doggers, bro. They just raw dog it and just watch the videos, bro. All right, Oscar, give us a chant.
If you like dick, take a step.
If you like dick, take a step.
1, 2,
3, 4, dicks, and my mouth. All right, update on the hike. This is like the pre-trail.
Yeah, this is, we're stupid. We're supposed to come with the truck on this part and then start the trail, but no, we decided to do the truck part
Yeah.
with our fucking feet.
So yeah, don't skip leg day. How we doing, Isaac?
I'm tired already.
You're tired already?
But it's cool.
But yeah, the sun is setting. We're not in a rush, but we're trying to be more quicker and hopefully catch the sunset. 1.5 miles? All right, so we're doing good. 1.5 miles, easy, light work, right, bro?
Light work, man.
Light work, light work, type shit. Ooh, whoa, I think I just nutted. Yeah, we have to go off top, bro. 4-wheeler, but we're too broke for that, bro.
Next time.
Next year. That's why you gotta subscribe so I could buy a 4-wheeler and we could drive it right here. Make great content, right, guys?
Breathe through your nose.
Drain. We drain.
Cause like, bro, we did 3 miles today.
Here, look.
Ooh.
Oh my
Ooh.
God.
Go for it, man.
I want it out and ready.
Take it out.
All right, guys. So the battery died. Here's some pictures about when we got up there. How was your experience?
It was fun. It was fun.
It was fun.
The hiking was hard for me, but like, you know, we're here. We're alive.
We made it. We made
Made
it.
it.
We made it.
God did.
All right. What about your experience?
It was great. It was good. It was a thrill. Well, we're dumbasses and we didn't calculate the time, so we were practically hiking in pitch darkness.
Yeah. For the last
On the way
what?
back.
For the last
But
30
it's-
minutes.
Yeah, but it's fine. We're not pussy, so it's fine.
Yeah.
We made it through.
Hey, we're here
Yeah, we're
Weird.
here. We're alive.
We're alive. somehow. So they kicked us out. Only reserved for 1 night. I don't even know where we're gonna sleep. I have to survive 24 hours.
Fuck. Did you hear that?
I can't stop, bitch, I'm running to these bands, yeah.